Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from zenpop.jp. Go over there and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount that you will enjoy for the rest of your life. This is from Sugakiya out of Japan, and this is their Taiwan ramen. And I always hear, like, there's no such thing as Taiwanese ramen. They make other things. When I think of Taiwan and I think noodle soup, I think beef noodle. I mean, that's like the standard. It's the standard. So, I've been thinking a lot about Taiwan lately. So see, pouches. So when I drop it, it doesn't destroy the whole kit and caboodle. Looks like a nice noodle. And then we're going to throw this stuff in. It shows it piled up, and I just don't think there's any way to do that, which bums me out, because this looks to be some kind of either TVP or beefy bits or porky bits or something. So we'll throw that in as well. All right, get off of there. You're steeping. 4 minutes. A couple more bits. And then, of course, we have the sachet, so we'll leave that there. How's everybody doing? I'm home. A rare occasion, such as today, that I'm just at home. It's weird. Looks so nice out. It's sunny. Birds are chirping. Oh, they opened my bridge again today. Huh. Today's May 18th. 43 years ago today. Ooh. 43 back in when I was just a... What are you doing? Hey. Simmer down, young lady. Here, let me see. Oh. Back when I was just a nickel in years old, I was sitting watching a show called Boomerang. And it was just a kid's show. Who was in it? Sound of Music lady. And it was on a local station. But she did the thing. Anyways, I was watching that. It was a beautiful day just like this up in Anacortes, Washington. I had a view of the Guimas Channel. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I heard a boom, boom. Oh, wait, I heard a boom. No, I heard a boom, boom. And I thought my mom fell down the stairs because she was doing laundry. I'm like 5 years old. I'm like, Mom! Or something like that. Probably about like that. Mom! What happened, Mom? You know? And then it happened again. And I remember that. I remember finding out what that sound was Mount St. Helens erupting. And Mount St. Helens is quite a ways off from Anacortes, Washington. That's up in the San Juans. That's like northwestern Washington State. Mount St. Helens, I believe, is what? It's a way south, way east. Yeah. So that was a big thing. But that was May 18th, 1980. Yeah. It's nice out. But I don't have my keys, so I can't really go anywhere. I wish we had an extra. We do have an extra. But I think my wife has it with her. I'll have that. I should send her a message and ask her, do you have the extra key that we had made? If you do, where is it? Then I could grab the key, safely put it in my pocket, lock up the dog, and get out of here. Yeah, by now I've already gotten to Bothell, done a round Bothell, and I'm about ready to like go over the little funny, really poorly constructed bridge on the way back. and head home, have a bang drink, have a protein drink, chill for 20 minutes, take the dog out, come back, lock her up, get out the door, and walk to North Seattle and back. And by that time, I've got 15 miles. But not today! No, because I'm stupid and I forget keys in wife's purse. I couldn't tell you what accent that is. It's like the guy with the mustache and Brocky and Bullwinkle. Moose and squirrel. But yeah, usually the show kind of flows a little more evenly when there's music in the background. I enjoy having music in the background. There we go. Okay. And all right, this looks very dark. I think this is probably going to be a beefy kind of broth. I really don't know. I want to try that first. That's what I'm most curious about. Beefy. Yeah, that makes sense. Where's the little bits? Here's the little bits. Little bits. Little bits right there. Yeah, little bits. Yeah. You want to make this better as if it were Tan Tan Men. It's got a little bump of heat. This does kind of remind me of Taiwanese instant noodle varieties slightly. All right, so my take on it. The noodle seems to be like high from over here. Does that make sense to you? Basically, the noodle doesn't seem to jibe with the broth. It would have been better to have the broth and noodle cook together, steep together rather, than have it the way it is. Because it's just not, they're not, the two do not act as one. I'll put it that way. The broth looks nice though. It's got a nice greasiness to it. Nice oily factor. That's pretty much on point. There's some of that. There's some this. You can have some more. I've got like so much spring onion. That'll work. There we go. Gonna go with an egg. These eggs are pretty good. I've been getting these free-range eggs, you know, because animals love to be loved when they are made into food, I guess. I really don't know. But there. I'm making funny noises and being kind of ridiculous, but that's okay. That's okay, folks. You knew what you were in for. You know what you wanted. All right. Yeah, I'm adding some pork to this. No, I'm not, because it's more of a beef thing. I'll add pork to the other ones I'm doing. And I am doing other ones, ladies and gentlemen. You can count on that, to be sure. So we got that. And yeah. Oh, and I think I'll add some of this fancy shichimi. What do you, Chimmy, think of my shichimi? A little bit right there. Right there, right there, right there, right there. I think that works. If you don't, comment below. So there's that. And now, as I did previously, I'm going to get ready for the next review. By burning up to words, as one does. On Thursday, May 18th, 2023, the 43rd anniversary of Mount St. Helens erupting. And honestly, I think we're due for another eruption. What do you think? That sound like a plan? What do you think, Pepper? Should we have a volcanic eruption today? No? No? We could. You're wagging your tail. All right. She's wagging her tail, ladies and gentlemen. We will have another volcanic eruption today. Something huge, something crazy. The next one I'm doing, I'll do that one next. So I got a bunch of varieties from a company called Noodle Mix. Hey, get it, you. Go lay down. No, this isn't for you. This is it's rice noodle. They have these boxes. I think I got one here. I gave my wife a Mother's Day gift. Oh, is the box in here or not? There it is. Yeah, these things are freaking good, man. They're spendy, but they're really good. They're gluten-free. You can get them at the little fruit stand over here. But I got her those. But I needed a nice box to put them in. And lo and behold, this is a nice box. And this is, what is it? Five flavors in one noodle? 3 flavors in one noodle? I don't know. It's hard to see. But, yeah, this is from Taiwan. And there's 3 different... It's a box. It's like basically 3 varieties in one box. Here's a rice noodle, and here is a dry noodle. And there was another one which was like a folded guanyao. And we're going to go with the rice noodle next. So, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.